Our company is celebrating 36 years as an independent company specializing in the consumer healthcare market globally. The main reason that 160 members of the OTC industry come to meet with us each year is to find out what are the latest trends in the industry. So this year we've looked particularly at the topic of innovation. Innovation in terms of new products, innovation in terms of new marketing strategies.
When I come to the Nicholas Hall Conference, I really look forward to just the people I'm going to meet. Yesterday's session, there was a question about, how many people were here for the first time, and it was a lot of the room, which was really exciting. I mean, it's a packed room, and that gives it a certain kind of energy. But that's where the richness comes. The richness comes in sharing and interacting with colleagues, peers, and potential colleagues from around the world who we can only meet at a venue like this.
It's a very cosmopolitan audience, and I'd say that's one of the big changes over the last 25 years of this conference series, that although it is a European meeting, it attracts a global audience.
I've been working with Nicholas Hall for about 25 years, and 25 years ago, countries knew very little about what each other was doing in self-care. Each country was almost working independently with its traditional medicines. The Nicholas Hall team and the work that they've done have enabled us to understand holistically the world of OTCs, how it all works, what the market sizes are, what the data looks like, what the future trends are. So it's been quite transformational for this industry.
We want to be a multinational brand with Bruno, for example, and this environment, Nicholas Hall, gives me the chance, not only by myself or by Abdi Ibrahim, but also very other different partners, we can make it happen before we think we can.
There's always interesting content in terms of the presentations being made. There's always something to learn. Whether it's products, markets, ideas, trends, so that's one aspect of it. The other aspect of it is other people. That's a wonderful networking opportunity, and to see people from a variety of companies, variety of geographies, in a way that we don't usually have that opportunity in the United States.
We attempt to encourage and to reward those companies that put effort into finding new sources of innovation, either in their creativity, in their new product development, or the totality of their marketing strategy. And there are 3 awards. There's an award for the best advertisement that was screened within the last year in Europe. There's an award for the most important and innovative new product launched in Europe in the last year. And there's an award for the best marketing campaign anywhere in the world. This isn't the only conference that we run. In fact, in 2014 we will have about 12 events. We shall also have similar conferences in Rio, covering the Latin American market, and Shanghai, covering the markets of Asia Pacific. In terms of what the future holds, well, we've already taken the decision that next year we will go to the lovely city of Paris. We always find that if we make a market which is showing some problems, the basis of the conference, then we can all go and study the marketplace, visit pharmacies, talk to consumers, as well as having a pretty wonderful time as well.